How to change calls ringtone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change calls ringtone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications, and scroll down until you find ringtone and then click settings and select any ringtone you want here, and then just select it and go back. It will be saved, and that's how to change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.